Today I will discuss about how to provide the color layer, because when create our diagram, AutoCAD diagram, when we will provide the different color also. So how is it provide the color? So first of all, when I make the diagram, when I select this rectangle here, this is rectangle. When I click the rectangle, then start from create the rectangle. So first of all, click the de-enter. It is provide the horizontal dimension. So horizontal dimension I will provide 500. Then asking vertical dimension, then again I will provide the 250. So this is make the rectangle here. When I will click this first coordinate, so here make the rectangle in first coordinate. Then look at this, our rectangle has been completed from here. When again I will select line dimension, so when click the AL enter, then apply the line this point to this point I have joined. Then also again click enter, apply command, then OK. Now again I will draw the circle here. This is a simple circle. When I draw the circle is 200 radius. So here we can see that when our sketch has been completed right now, then I will go to provide the particular color in all line. They will also, I will go to offset the circle here. So when here the offset command, look at this, then offset is particular 10 mm distance in inner side. Okay, then this is make the circle here. Then also I will click offset in rectangle. In this rectangle is also click inner side in 10 mm. When also again I will show you this rectangle selected here. And again select offset command, then provide the distance here. So I will go to give the distance is 30 mm, then provide the inner side offset. When again I will show you rectangle circle here, a small circle I have go to create right now in particular circle. So when first of all click the circle, simple small circle in 10 mm radius, like 7.5 mm radius, it is create the one circle. Then also again enter, then again click this 7.5, then right now this area, then again I will show you, click this rectangle here. Now again I will click this here. So this is complete the circle right now. When I have provide the particular dimension in circle, when this circle I will go to remove here and go to delete, and this circle go to offset in 10 mm distance is inner side. Okay, then I will go to provide the center line, which center line and which line is hidden line and also provide this here. Then go to select this rectangle, and here the layer and here the color layer. When I provide the color is red here, then also this line is provide in color magenta color. This line and all center line we have selected, and go through, click the red color, and also this boundary line I will show you. This boundary line I have make the color is blue color. Well, look at this, provide the different types of color. Then also every circle I have selected right now. This circle we will provide the distance here and green color. So right now I have provided the every circle in color. Then also I will go to provide the center line here. So how to convert the center line, before I will show you. So when I click this all center line, then after I will apply this here by layer. When this is provide the color also, and whatever I make this any circle and rectangle, so particular I have find and this color, and whatever I have draw this any rectangle, any circle in anywhere, we will go to. Then also I have go to offset here this circle. When I select this circle, then also I have go to offset in 30 degree, 30 mm distance also is outside. So they will continuation for same color. I have provide this rectangle, so they are not changed. When against this circle I have go to mirror, so look at this here like that. So right now same color we will provide in distance in AutoCAD. So it is very easy from provide the color layer in AutoCAD. When I go to move here in some distance right now, and also I have go to provide the circle also. So then create here, then also create here, then also create here. So it means when I want to change the other color, so when I go to another color, we have create in AutoCAD. When I provide this color, so when the purpose of color we will provide in proper visibility in our diagram, and proper detailing and good looking for our drawings. That's why I have give the color our drawing. So this is complete here, this color process, and thank you for watching. Today has completed the session, and do like, subscribe our channel.